and gentlemen, for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your cabin baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned on. Smoking is not permitted and headsets can only be worn once you reach the inside of the terminal building. When opening the overhead bins, please be careful as some articles may have shifted during the flight. This is the end of Air Canada Flight 109. When leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. If you need assistance to leave the aircraft, please remain seated. One of the crew members will help you as soon as the aisle is free.